Welcome back, guys. I have to be quiet because it is 4 in the morning. It is currently 4:44 and we are going to be heading out. I feel so bad opening the garage because my parents are asleep and their room is right up there. So if you guys are seeing this, I'm sorry. Yeah, so I'm currently trying to hurry up right now. Isaac, Adib, and Santos are gonna be pulling up pretty soon. We're all gonna be heading out. I'm just bringing just the simple things that I need just to wash the car over there. So yeah. The things I do for cars, huh? We out here. We had a little mishap, but we're all good now. This guy's exhaust fell off, and that guy's static. Second stop. My boys Jesse. What up?
Tucson City.
What? Tucson?
Tucson.
We're in Texas?
Texas.
Looks like it, huh? Sheesh. I'm gonna go over with Isaac real quick. Go record. Talking right now.
How are you?
Yeah.
What up? We're out here in Tucson. We're just washing the car real quick. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that, and I'll start recording when we're over there.
We are finally at the show. Hi, Chilo. There is R32. Some pretty clean cars. We are at the show. She helped me shine up the car real quick. I'm kind of sweaty right now. But we're gonna
my food.
Yeah, we're gonna get some food right now. They have some vendors, I guess, but I have a headache. But yeah, we're gonna be here all day long. Hi. What?
Famous
What?
Eli Cordell.
Nah,
Yo, I don't give you consent.
famous Adib, famous Jesse.
Hi.
What do you guys think about the show?
Amazing.
I want to go home.
I want to go home too,
I'm tired, you know?
but I gotta show around. GTR. Famous VQ Isaac.
Hey, chill out. Don't close with my mom.
Oh,
I'm just playing. I think I seen this one coming in the freeway.
yeah, I seen
It
it.
was this one, right?
Yeah, it was this one. I like the lights.
Yeah.
Here are some of the notorious guys. This Q60 is clean. I like it. And there's more wheels. Then we got Ariel. Famous guy Ariel. So we out here filling up, going back home. End of the show. I'm just waiting for everyone else to meet up with me. They went to a different gas station. I went to a different gas station. So yeah, I'm tired and my voice is going out. So I'll text you guys when I'm home. I mean, text you guys. See, I'm tired. I'll talk to you guys later. I finally made it home, back home. I'm sorry, like I can't even talk right now. I am beat. Oh, bro, my hair. But I'm beat right now. The show was a success. It's actually not that dirty. Well, there's a couple bugs, but thank you guys for watching. I really enjoyed doing this. I should do this more often. And shout out to my girl for helping me out. I'm gonna just finish off this video, and thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.